Hey traders and investors, it's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Friday, February 5th, 2021. Sorry traders and investors, I haven't been putting out as much videos as I had recently. I just been very busy with my other job. This is my job as well, and I haven't been putting out as much content as possible. I just wanted to come out, just like last week, I had mentioned to you guys, do not follow the crowd. Do not. Because when you hear everybody talking about something, you need to get out of it. When they're talking about a certain investment, step away. Do not go after it. It's when something is at a whisper, you jump in and you try to nibble at it and you buy in. But I'm saying this because a lot of people have gotten crushed by GameStop. We're looking at the SPY here. The SPY is up for the day, has been up for the week, has been up since last year. We had a slight pullback, but it was nothing drastic. I want to put this out there. Now I'll let you look at the charts of GameStop. Now look this, it went parabolic. Regardless of the news, whatever was going on with this particular stock, it didn't really warrant this type of move. And I had mentioned with the same type of energy up, that went up, it will be used also on the way down, regardless of what goes on. A lot of stocks go up and they don't have the fundamentals for that type of move. And I can go on mention multiple amount of stocks that are in the stock market, and they are just roaring. They don't produce the product or service that warrants the price of that particular stock. But forget about that. A lot of people, a lot of retail investors who bought into GameStop or even AMC, let's take a look at that stock, are caught holding the bag. Yeah, you're holding the bag at 20. Now the price is at 7, and it can go even lower. These big firms, whoever they are, hedge funds or whoever they are, you don't have the liquidity that these guys have. They have friends, brokers, banks that they can borrow money from to make money. They take loss even if it's at billions. Regardless of what it is, they do not lose. Who gets crushed at this is the small retail investors. So a lot of things been going on in the market. You just need to recognize, take your losses, learn your lesson, and do not follow the crowd. If you see a particular stock that's beaten down and you see the valuation is doesn't match it and it's cheap, you buy into it. You buy into it. If you were coming here and you were buying in AMC at this price at $4 and it went up to $20, you take your profits and run. This does not happen all the time. You know, I always mention the 10 to 20%. Be satisfied with that. There's there's thousands of stocks out there, thousands of companies that are doing well. And you invest, they'll be here 5 years, 10 years from now, they'll be here. And you need to invest. If you see something that you can profit off the option, go right ahead, profit from it. But always take into consideration the risk that's involved in entering a particular option or stock. Always think about the risk. If it comes, minimize your risk and also increase the benefits that you're going to have on the upside, your profits. Once again, thank you guys for taking a listen. I had to put this out, and patience is the key. Patience in the market. Have a great weekend. Once again, this is for educational purposes. This is not educational. This is not investing advice. See you guys next week.